How to lock the shaft of a Troy-Bilt weed eater. Troy-Bilt weed eaters are versatile pieces of yard equipment. Some have the capability to use different types of cutting attachments to handle tougher brush cutting jobs around the home. Whether you are switching out cutting attachments or making repairs to the trimmer head, it is necessary to prevent the head from rotating. Troy-Bilt includes a locking rod tool to lock the shaft of a Troy-Bilt weed eater. The tool inserts through 2 holes between the guard and the head. The tool looks similar to a long piece of bent rod. Things you'll need: locking rod, finishing nail. Disconnect the spark plug wire from the spark plug on your Troy-Bilt weed eater. Twist the plug wire boot with your fingers and pull it away from the plug. Place the trimmer on its left side on a flat surface. Look for the small hole between the trimmer line shield and the trimmer head. Insert the locking rod into the hole. If you do not have the locking rod that comes with the Troy-Bilt weed eater, insert a finishing nail into the hole. Hold the locking rod or nail with one hand while rotating the trimmer head with your other hand. There is a hole at the top of the head which will line up with the hole you have the locking rod or nail. Push the locking rod or nail through the hole on the trimmer head when it lines up with the first hole. This locks the shaft for repairs to the head or changing out cutting attachments.